this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox moderation warning in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways or reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being inappropriate language or behavior. Harassment or bullying could be another. Scamming or phishing could be another. If you are using inappropriate images or texting content, that is definitely the one. And exploiting bugs or glitches and spamming or advertising could also be one of those. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your notification to see what the warning detail is about. So as you can see, it says your content has been flagged for violating Roblox Community Standards. So you want to simply go ahead and read the warning carefully. What is it about? You would really want to understand it. And if that is not the case, then you want to go to roblox.com/standard and review the rules to make sure you understand Roblox policies. You can simply go ahead and remove or edit problem content if the warning is for content you created, delete or update it to make sure that you follow the rules. Or if it is something else, then there might be an appeal button that you can simply go ahead and click on appeal and then send your appeal by explaining in a proper language. Once you've done that, avoid repeating the same behavior and